Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. एक बार check कर लीजिए, बता दीजिए if everything is fine. We can start the session immediately after that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning to all of you. All well? कैसे हैं भाई? क्या हाल चाल है सारे लोगों के? सब बढ़िया है? चलिए start कर लेते हैं discussion को फिर. So, see, I was not there for Friday, Saturday, right? So what we are going to do, जो भी हमारे न्यूज थे इतने दिनों के पहले हम वो कवर करेंगे. We'll clear the pendency in the next 2 days and session will be continuously live from tomorrow onwards. I am free from all the things. So कल से आपके sessions बिल्कुल regular हैं, morning 8 o'clock. Also I am planning to do one very important session on 28th of February. 28th of February, that is on this Friday. 28th Feb this Friday for NISCL assistant. NISCL assistant के लिए एक स्पेशल सेशन करेंगे इंक्लूडिंग द क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस. तो इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस के भी उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, क्वेश्चंस को ऐड करेंगे. जॉय, आई एम परफेक्टली फाइन. गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू मैन? आप कैसे हो? ऑल वेल? एट योर होम ऑल थिंग्स आर गुड? या चलिए सो स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं फिर डिस्कशन को. बात करते हैं आज के करंट अफेयर्स में क्या हाइलाइट्स होंगे हमारे पास. So RBI unveiled RBI data application for the seamless economic data access. So all the different type of economic data will be available at one place. A new application launched by Reserve Bank of India that is called RBI Data App. तो RBI का एक नया ऐप आया है, इसको नाम दिया RBI ने RBI Data, जिसमें RBI सारे के सारे economic data और informations को provide करेगा at one place. For the researchers, student, faculties like us, we will be able to get the data in a easy way from this application. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन मेरा है, सेबी हैव लॉन्च सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ एप्लीकेशन फ्यू डेज बिफोर. जस्ट अ फ्यू डेज बिफोर सेबी ने भी बहुत सिमिलर टाइप का एप्लीकेशन लॉन्च किया था. ऑन 26th of January 2025 सेबी लॉन्च सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ एप्लीकेशन वेयर ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन, previous history, data, evolution regarding the capital market in India is available. What is the name of that application? उसका नाम बताइए. उस पोर्टल का एप्लीकेशन का नाम क्या है? पोर्टल का एप्लीकेशन का नाम क्या है जिस पोर्टल एप्लीकेशन को सेबी ने लॉन्च किया था? ठीक है, उसका नाम बताइएगा. नेक्स्ट न्यूज है आपके पास. मिस्टर शक्तिकांता दास, recently retired governor of Reserve Bank of India, now appointed as the principal secretary to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So leaving from a very important position, he have joined more powerful position, that is the principal secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Nirupendra Mishra sir was the principal secretary till now. From the last around 10 years, Nirupendra Mishra sir was the principal secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now Mr. Shaktikanta Das have been appointed as the principal secretary. IRDA introduced Bima-ASBA, that is called application supported by blocked amount. I'll explain in depth in detail regarding this and how it is going to be beneficial for the people, those who are planning to buy the insurance product. उनके लिए कैसे ये beneficial होगा. Microsoft unveiled Magma, the AI model that can see, read and respond immediately. So it is a type of, it is an upgraded version. It is a upgraded version of AI model that is recently launched by Microsoft. Name is Magma. How it is going to be different from the previous AI which are available like Chat GPT and all, उनसे कैसे अलग है तो उसके बारे में मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. LIC unveiled one-man office to digitally empower agents in India. So a new application have been launched by LIC, a new product launched by LIC that is called one-man office. Now how this one-man office is going to help the agent or customers, that we'll discuss, and where it will be available. Why it is not a separate application? It will be available on an application called Ananda. So what is this Ananda application of LIC? Then SBI card appointed Salila Pandey as the new managing director and CEO. So Salila Pandey ma'am have replaced to whom, and how this appointment is going to change the leadership of SBI, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Brazil joined OPEC as an observer for the global energy influence. So OPEC nation, which are oil producing and oil controlling nations in India. ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग एंड ऑयल कंट्रोलिंग नेशंस इन इंडिया, वो है आपके पास ओपेक ग्रुप. ब्राजील रिसेंटली ज्वाइन ओपेक एज अ ऑब्जर्वर नेशन, नॉट एज अ परमानेंट मेंबर बट एज अ ऑब्जर्वर मेंबर. OPEC is a very important topic which very regularly comes in the examination in static GK form, like when it was started, which are the members of OPEC, where is the headquarter of OPEC. Such type of questions are very common, sometimes full form also. So in static GK form आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा OPEC related questions एग्जाम में काफी ज्यादा पूछ लिए जाते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ तक का पॉइंट क्लियर चल रहा है. चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. तो ब्राजील ने ज्वाइन किया है. India's first wildlife biobank open at Darjeeling Zoo. There is a very famous geological park located in Darjeeling, West Bengal. Recently it was also in news. Name is Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. Did you remember the recent news? Few days before I have discussed a very important news regarding Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. इससे रिलेटेड काफी इंपॉर्टेंट एक न्यूज मैंने डिस्कस किया था आप लोगों के साथ में, and that still have very high probability to come into the examination. आंसर बताइए. It is a news of around 24th of December. 2 red pandas have been taken to Darjeeling Padmaja Himalayan Zoological Park. From which country? किस कंट्री से इनको लाया गया था? और सेबी वाला आंसर आप लोगों का गलत है. दैट इज नॉट आई स्पॉट, दैट इज नॉट साथी. वो आई स्पॉट भी नहीं है, वो साथी भी नहीं है. और दैट पोर्टल नेम इज धरोहर पोर्टल. सो धरोहर पोर्टल वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय सेबी, वेरी सिमिलर टू द पोर्टल रिसेंटली रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैव लॉन्च्ड. तो धरोहर पोर्टल लॉन्च किया था सेबी ने. ठीक है. रेड पांडास टेकन फ्रॉम विच कंट्री? किस कंट्री से लाए गए रेड पांडास which are kept for the breeding and conservation purpose in the Padmaja Naidu Zoological Park? आंसर बताइए. India's first biobank open at Darjeeling Zoo. ये वाला न्यूज था. इसके बाद है Philippines recently Tiruvallur statue inaugurated in Philippines. So recently Tiruvallur, who is one of the very famous philosopher, poet, his respected Tiruvallur sir statue have been inaugurated recently in Philippines, and in the previous examination you have seen this type of question. Such questions are very important, where the statue of an Indian inaugurated in any foreign country, or any Indian have done any inauguration in foreign country. तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आते हैं एग्जाम में. वेलकम टू गाइडली गाइस, दिस इज आदित्य. If you're watching the session for the first time, watch till end. You will feel the difference that current affairs is very easy. We are only making it complicated. I'll try to keep it easy for all of you. तो मेरी कोशिश होगी कि आपके लिए current affairs difficult ना हो. My PDF will be available on this Telegram group, GA Genius by Aditya sir. You can get the PDF link of classes directly from here. If you have any confusion, doubt regarding the preparation strategy, you can connect with me and discuss with me directly. We are known for one of the best. Why? It is best actually. We are known for the best interview batches in the banking and insurance sector category. Currently, the interview batches which are live and classes are going on in Union Bank of India LBO and personalized interview batch for UIC AU. If you have any other interview in the upcoming days, without any hesitation, you can join us. GSL batch is one-stop solution for the complete preparation of upcoming examination like SBI Clerk Mains, SBI PO Mains, Central Bank of India Credit Officer, Zonal Bank Officer examination. So all these exams you can target and complete with the support of one batch. Banking awareness, current affairs, static GK. Because of SBI clerk examination, we have an offer price of 599 rupees. Till 2nd of March, this offer price will be available. I am repeating again, those who are planning to buy hustle batch and they are waiting from so long because of price. Some people feel that 7,899 is a high price. I think it is not, because if you will see the content, you will feel that yes, price is worth. But still, 599 rupees the offer price till 2nd of March, so you can join it. चलिए start करते हैं regulatory news से. News number 1, guys, be active, keep yourself active during the complete session. तो news number 1 है आपके पास, Reserve Bank of India unveiled the new application called RBI Data. एक नया application launch किया है Reserve Bank of India ने, इसको नाम दिया गया है RBI Data. सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कोई challenges नहीं, everything is fine. हाँ, रेड पांडास वर टेकन फ्रॉम नीदरलैंड, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है ज्योति, परफेक्टली फाइन. नीदरलैंड से लाए गए थे, रॉटरडैम नीदरलैंड, वहां से लाए गए थे रेड पांडास, करेक्ट है. चलिए वापस आइए, न्यूज पर मूव करते हैं और न्यूज नंबर 1 का डिस्कशन रखेंगे. सो न्यूज नंबर 1, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अनवेल्ड आरबीआई डेटा फॉर द सीमलेस इकोनॉमिक डेटा एक्सेस. Reserve Bank of India introduced RBI data a new mobile application that provides the seamless access to the microeconomic financial data related to the Indian economy. So Indian economy related data, along with that the data of BRICS nation. इसमें दो चीजों का डेटा मिलेगा आपको, data related to economy, that is Indian economy, along with that BRICS nation data will also be available. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa created a group that is called BRICS nation. So BRICS nation data will also be available. This is a platform for more than 11,000 economic data series. So 11,000 plus data is available on this platform. It is available for everyone, for policy maker, student, general public. Anyone can access it, anyone can open it, anyone can access the data. हर किसी के लिए data available है on the open platform. The objective of Reserve Bank of India to keep more transparency in the financial system, along with that providing the greater information to the general public as well. It will be available on both the option iOS and Android. दोनों पर ही available है आपका, ये iOS और Android दोनों पर available है, making the economic data more accessible than ever before. RBI data is a step for the data transparency and accessibility for the individuals. Vast economic data collection, user can explore 11,000 plus data series. ये number याद रखना, it is important because it is repeated 2-3 times in the article. 11,000 plus data series it is available, which will be directly provided by the Reserve Bank of India. Now there is an option of quick search and report. So there is a search option. So if you want to check any particular report, you can directly check into the search box. You will be able to find it. It will also offer one of the very important facility, that is banking facility locator. Banking facility locator. User can find the bank branches, banking facility within 20 kilometer radius. 20 kilometer के radius में जहां पर आप है, wherever you are after installing this app, whatever the banks are available in the banking services, all these information will be available on this particular application. So this banking facility locator option is available. One more thing, I have made a mistake. I said you that it will offer the data of Indian economy along with BRICS, not BRICS, SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. तो ये हटा देता हूं, यहां से देख लीजिएगा, ब्रिक्स नहीं है, सार्क नेशन है. आई वॉज कंफ्यूज्ड. SAARC, साउथ एशियन एसोसिएशन फॉर रीजनल कोऑपरेशन. मेंबर्स होते हैं आपके पास MBBSPAIN. तो सार्क नेशन का जो भी इकोनॉमिकल डेटा है वो अवेलेबल करवाएगा आरबीआई यहाँ पर. मालदीव, बांग्लादेश, भूटान, श्रीलंका, पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, इंडिया एंड नेपाल, तो इन नेशंस का डेटा आपके पास अवेलेबल होगा. सो रिमेंबर दैट the economic data of Indian economy along with the SAARC nation data will be available over this application, and it will also offer you within the radius of how much kilometer? 20 kilometer radius. Whatever the bank with the banking services available, that data is also available on this application. On 26th of January 2025, Securities and Exchange Board of India mark a significant milestone, launch धरोहर application. तो सेबी ने बहुत सिमिलर एप्लीकेशन लॉन्च किया था. That very similar application like RBI data application was launched by SEBI, name was Dharohar. So Dharohar application was launched by SEBI. Point clear guys, everyone. News number 1 is clear, in depth, in detail. आगे चलते हैं. Simple news है. News number 1 is always related to Reserve Bank of India. That is why it take a little bit more time. आगे थोड़ा सा स्पीड में मूव कर सकते हैं. Just I want all of you to please write CC once in the chat box. SBI card appointed Salila Pandey as the new managing director and CEO. She will be taking charge from 1st of April 2025 onwards. 1st April 2025 से जो है चार्ज लेंगी सलीला मैम in place of Mr. Abhijit Chakravarti. So Abhijit Chakravarti is getting retired on 31st March 2025. SBI card also declared the dividend of ₹2.50 per share in the financial year 2024-25. Share price, this share dividend news is not that important for us. हमारे लिए important है सलीला पांडे is going to be the new managing director and CEO of SBI card. रिप्लेस करने वाली है अभिजीत चक्रवर्ती जी को. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे ऑफिसर्स हैं SBI के. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया CFO is कामेश्वरा कोदावंती. चेयरमैन मिस्टर चिल्ला श्रीनिवास शेट्टी. म्यूचुअल फंड नंद किशोर जी recently appointed, very important, नंद किशोर sir recently appointed in place of Shamsher Singh. SBI card payments Salila Pandey replacing to Abhijit Chakravarti after 1st of April, from 1st of April 2025. SBI General Insurance Naveen Chand Jha. SBI Life Insurance Amit Jhingran. SBI Capital Marketplace, Virendra Bansal, SBI Cap Venture Limited, Prem Prabhakar. So these are the officers. Another news regarding State Bank of India. Can you tell me, guys, how many of you are targeting the SBI Clerk Mains and SBI PO Mains examination this year? कितने लोगों का टारगेट है? रेज योर हैंड. राइट, यस आई एम और मी. कुछ भी लिखकर बताओ, जरा कंफर्मेशन दो. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर टारगेटिंग द SBI Clerk Mains and SBI PO Mains examination? The reason being, there is a separate topic which you need to cover this year, not this year, every year, for these two special examinations, that is SBI News. एक टॉपिक होता है वो था SBI इन न्यूज वाला. ठीक है सर, यस्टरडे यूको बैंक एग्जाम में 30th क्वेश्चन आया था रेड पांडा वाला. अच्छा चलिए, बढ़िया है गणेश. ठीक है गणेश, आई गॉट यू. रेड पांडा वाला क्वेश्चन आया था. अच्छा, 30 क्वेश्चन आया था पढ़ाया हुआ, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, अपना पढ़ा हुआ. ठीक है, थैंक यू मैन, थैंक यू गणेश. I got you, Ganesh. I got you. Thank you for appreciation. But don't spam, please. Chalo. So I was telling about the SBI Clerk Mains examination and SBI PO Mains examination. There is a separate category of questions which you are able to see in the examination. That is SBI in News. SBI News topic को हमको separately cover करना होगा. There will be around 3 to 4 questions directly in the examination you will be able to see, especially in SBI Clerk Mains, because 50 questions है, अच्छा window होता है, that 4 to 5 questions they can directly ask from the news, indirect news of State Bank of India. So SBI cut down the India's GDP prediction to 6.3%, a little bit lower than the GDP prediction of NSO. NSO का है 6.4%. SBI ने प्रेडिक्शन दिया 6.3% का. 24-25 6.3% प्रेडिक्शन. So this is the prediction of State Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India also revised the GDP prediction to 6.6% from the earlier prediction of 7.2. तो पहले 7.2 का प्रेडिक्शन था रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का, और रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने इसको डिक्रीज करके कितना कर दिया है, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने भी इसको डिक्रीज करके कितना कर दिया, तो आरबीआई हैव डिक्रीज्ड इट टू 6.6% फ्रॉम 7.2. सो एसबीआई 6.3, एनएसओ 6.4 एंड रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 6.6. तीनों को याद रखेंगे. ऑल्दो आई विल गिव यू ऑन फ्राइडे, आई विल गिव यू the updated list of GDP prediction. If any question come in NISCL AO exam, not AO, assistant examination, you will be able to answer. चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. 361 asset to acquire. 361 asset. It is a AMC asset management company. It is a AMC asset management company which offer the multiple different investment option in the stock, mutual fund, etc. This company is planning to acquire 15% stake in Bhartiya AXA Life Insurance. So in Bhartiya AXA Life Insurance, one asset management company is planning to acquire 15% stake. Company name is 361 Asset. Bhartiya AXA Life Insurance is a joint venture company of Bharti Airtel along with AXA. तो Bharti Airtel और AXA की joint venture company है आपकी Bharti AXA Life Insurance, founded in the year 2006 as a joint venture of Bharti Group and AXA Group, and has gone key ownership changes over the year. Bharti Airtel have started diluting. The stacks with the time. In March 2024, Bharti Life Venture Private Limited acquired AXA's 49% stake, making the sole owner of the company. Now 361 asset company is going to acquire 15%. अभी के लिए important है point number 1, आप ये याद रखो. 361 asset which is a AMC planning to acquire 15% stake in which company? Bharti AXA Life Insurance, which is a joint venture company of Bharti AXA along Bharti Airtel along with AXA. ठीक है, ये वाला न्यूज क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट है LIC. LIC unveiled one-man office to digitally empower the agent. A new application launched by Life Insurance Corporation. This new application name is one-man office. इसको नाम दिया गया है one-man office to enhance the efficiency of its agent, providing 24/7 digital service solution. Different type of questions asked by the customers nowadays. देखो टाइम के साथ कस्टमर जो क्वेरीज होते हैं वो भी चेंज होते जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ अपग्रेडेशन इन द टेक्नोलॉजी, एडवांसमेंट इन द इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट. So the new type of questions when the customers are asking before buying the insurance policy, to get the support from the company side, agents are able to connect with the one man office. One man office is a digital AI tool that will be offering 24/7 digital service to all the agents in India, LIC agents in India. It will be this application was launched on 17th of February 2025 with the objective of insurance for all by the year 2047 कि 2047 तक जो है इसको implement किया जा सके. This insurance for all can be implemented, which is the vision of IRDI. In the vision of all this insurance for all 2047, IRDI have launched your बीमा ट्रिनिटी. सो बीमा ट्रिनिटी को IRDI ने इसीलिए लॉन्च किया था. क्लियर है? सो दिस वन मैन ऑफिस digitally empower agent to digitally empower the agent. It is launched by which company? LIC. Name is important. What is the initiative? Why this initiative started? Now where it will be available? If agent want to access one man office, from where they can access it? So they can access it over Ananda application. So Ananda application is the digital app that was launched by LIC during the COVID time. COVID में launch किया था LIC ने इसको. आत्मनिर्भर एजेंट न्यू बिजनेस डिजिटल एप्लीकेशन. दिस इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आनंदा. So on the Ananda application, this one man office will be available. तो ये जो one man office initiative है, it will be available on which application? Ananda application of LIC that was launched in the year 2020. 2020 में जिसको लॉन्च किया गया. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट हो गया आपके पास. चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. नेक्स्ट है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अनवेल्ड मैग्मा, द AI मॉडल दैट कैन सी, रीड एंड टेक एक्शन इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. ऐसा एक इस तरीके का AI जो कि रियल वर्ल्ड में एग्जैक्टली लाइक ह्यूमन एक्ट कर सकता है. इट कैन रीड, इट कैन see, it can take action accordingly to what is required. So for example, there is a situation of flood, there is a situation of any type of natural calamity also. In such areas this AI will be helpful. This AI can support the human how to take or what type of prominent steps to be taken at such type of things. So this AI can be installed at such places where all time assistance is required. 24/7 assistance is required. जहां पर चाहिए होगा 24/7 assistance, at that place Magma is going to be helpful. Why? It can see, it can read and then it can react. तो ये डेटा भी प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, रिएक्ट कर सकता है. It can give you suggestions according to the situation. This is what the advantage of Magma. Magma can be used in the upcoming days in the navigating applications. Navigating applications में इसको यूज किया जा सकता है, including missiles, drones, etc. Also controlling the robotic movement. So robots में भी इसको यूज किया जा सकता है Magma को in the upcoming days. ठीक है? So developed by the researchers of Microsoft, University of Maryland, University of Wisconsin and University of Washington. इन सब ने मिलकर इसको डेवलप किया है. Magma is the first foundation model capable of interpreting the ground multi-modeling input within its surroundings. So wherever it will be kept, it will be able to assess the surrounding, read the data accordingly. It will be able to give the output. So inputs लेने के काफी सारे options इसमें available in the Magma. IRDI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, recently introduced ASBA. ASBA is already applicable in the stock market in primary market option. So whenever we are applying for a new stock in IPO, so basically ASBA जो है आपका IPO में available है. Recently it was implemented in FPO as well. It was applicable in the secondary market as well. Otherwise it was previously available in the primary market only. In the secondary market it was applicable only in the year 2024. 2024 में इसको secondary market में भी applicable किया गया. Otherwise primary market में ही applicable था आपका ASBA. First of all, what is the meaning of ASBA? ASBA, what is the meaning of it? So it is full form is application supported by blocked amount. Now for example, Just take an example that you want to buy something, but you are saying that I want to receive the payment, I want to receive the product first, and seller is saying that I want to receive the payment first. कई बार हो जाता है ऐसा चैलेंज, सेलर बोल रहा है भाई पहले पैसे दे दो, आप बोल रहे नहीं पहले आप हमको प्रोडक्ट दे दो, give me product, I'll pay. He is saying pay first, then I'll give the product. In such situation, ASB is the best option. Best option is you can keep your money ready in one hand, and from another hand, same time, another hand, seller is ready to give you product. तो आप product ले रहे हो, you are receiving the product, and same moment you are releasing the fund. It is actually ASB, application supported by blocked amount, that the money is ready for payment but blocked. Money is ready for payment in your account but blocked. You cannot use it for some other purpose. This seller is the person who is going to receive it, have surety that this money is ready for my payment. उनके पास confirmation है, this money is ready for my payment. The moment I will release the product, money will be released. Such type of facility in the bank account is available. So for example, in your bank account you have 50,000 rupee and you have applied for a IPO of 15,000. So out of 15,000 rupee will be blocked. It will be showing in your total balance. Total balance is 50. Bank will continue to calculate interest over it. Bank उस पे interest भी calculate करेगा. That will be there in your account also, but you cannot withdraw it if you have already applied for IPO. अगर आपने IPO के लिए apply किया, then you cannot withdraw it until the date of allocation. If you got allocation, money will be deducted and made payment to the capital market. If you have not received allocation, then your money will be unblocked. So this is certain amount which is blocked within your account for a particular payment. आपके ही अकाउंट में आपका पैसा एक पर्टिकुलर पेमेंट के लिए जब ब्लॉक किया जाता है उसे कहा जाता है ASBA, application supported by blocked amount. Now this ASBA facility from 1st of March 2025 will be available in the premium of insurance. So in your insurance premium also this facility will be available now. It was not there in insurance product as of now, but it will be applicable from 1st of March 2025. Is this point clear, guys? समझ में आ गया क्या है असबा? How it is going to work? Everything I have defined you in a normal manner. So in term of insurance, money will be there in your account. For example, my insurance policy of my car insurance policy is getting over on 15th of March. So on 15th of March, automatically money will be deducted from my account and it will be made to the policy company. Company को उस दिन पैसा मिल जाएगा. Company will create the document initially, company will make the document release. So on that day, company will release the document first, then company will take the money. So ASBA will now work in this category. पहले ये work नहीं करता था, ठीक है? ये point है. जाग रहे भाई सारे लोग? ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो रहा है न्यूज़? बताते हुए चलना. If you feel that some news are going more than required today, let me know. I'll cover in the upcoming days slowly. कल से और कल complete कर लेंगे. But I think at least we should wind up banking and financial news. कम से कम ये complete कर लेते हैं. Then national news, international news we can do in the next 2 days. ठीक है? Next है आपके पास Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited have entered into the strategic partnership with Meesho. Meesho का नाम सुना है? Boys, there is a company called Meesho where different type of products are available at a good price range. अच्छे price range पर पता available होता है. But for girls already they knows Meesho, so उनको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. So Meesho recently made MOU with the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. The reason being, now the product which are made in the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe areas by the tribal community, the product which are made by the tribal community, the product which are made, that product will be available on the Meesho platform. अब Meesho platform पर tribals के द्वारा बनाए गए जो products हैं वो available होंगे after this collaboration. इस collaboration के बाद, so there are 2-3 organizations which have collaborated to provide the marketing and a marketplace for the products which are created by the tribal community. That is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited along with Misho and Indian Federation of Culinary Association and Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Industrialization. So these 4 organizations have collaborated, by which they will be working over providing the product marketplace to the product of scheduled tribe community, and it was done on during the Adi Mahotsav in New Delhi. Adi Mahotsav was conducted in New Delhi, inaugurated by President Draupadi Murmu on 16th of February. तो 16th of February जो है उस दिन इसको साइन किया गया MOU का. अपॉइंटमेंट न्यूज पर आते हैं. बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. RBI circular, RBI news we have completed. Coming to the appointment news, we Ananta Nageshwaran term as a chief economic advisor extended till March 2027. So we Ananta Nageshwaran sir, who was the chief economic advisor of India, economic survey of this year was created under V Ananta Nageshwaran sir. तो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे जो इंडिया का था इन्हीं के अंडर में क्रिएट हुआ था. He was the chief economic advisor of India and his tenure have been extended on the same position till the year March 2027. So March 27 तक के लिए इनका जो tenure है उसको extend कर दिया गया है. Confirmation have been given by the Ministry of Finance with the approval of the Union Cabinet led by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Economic survey projected the GDP rate in between 6.3 to 6.8 in the next fiscal year. Shaktikanta Das sir appointed as the principal secretary of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He was which number of governor of RBI? ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको देखने के लिए मिल सकता है. That Shaktikanta Das sir was the which number of governor of Reserve Bank of India? आंसर बताइए. So V Ananta Nageshwaran sir. इनके बाद अगला न्यूज है आपके पास शक्तिकांता दास सर. शक्तिकांता दास सर अपॉइंटेड एज द प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी. इनको प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी अपॉइंट किया गया है. Das is the first principal secretary to have the experience of both fiscal policy and monetary policy. He worked as a officer in the government of India for a long time. He was the part of finance ministry also, right? Finance ministry में भी इन्होंने काम किया हुआ है काफी लंबे समय तक. And now after working on the position of governor of Reserve Bank of India, now he will be the principal secretary to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The important appointment है 25th governor of Reserve Bank of India. He was so as a RBI governor, his tenure was from the year 2018 to 2024. Demonetization was done in the year 2016. Under demonetization was done in 2016. 2016 में हुआ था. Budget planning key official division. And at that time, Shaktikanta, at the time of demonetization, Shaktikanta Das sir was in finance ministry. उस समय finance ministry में थे. 15th Finance Commission G20 Sherpa in the year 2017. तो काफी different positions इन्होंने hold की हैं. Mr. Kash Patel, known as the 9th director of FBI. If you have seen any Hollywood movie, FBI is one of the most powerful force of United States of America. That is Federal Bureau of Investigation. Federal Bureau of Investigation. Like in India, we can say that CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. Similar to that, FBI. Very powerful organization in US. So recently, Indian origin Mr. Kash Patel have taken charge as the 9th director of Federal Bureau of Investigation on 21st of February 2025. Patel, known for close ties with the US President and took oath on Bhagavad Gita. The important news इसलिए है because he is the person who have taken oath as the director of FBI in USA. But he have taken the oath of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita से इन्होंने oath लिया है, making a significant movement in the US history. So name is Mr. Kash Patel. He is the chief of FBI now, and he have taken oath recently in USA on Bhagavad Gita. तो ये आपके पास points हो गए. National, international, state in news category हम कल से start कर लेंगे. आज मैंने आपको RBI circular करवा दिया. Banking, financial news, national news, international news, state in news category will start from tomorrow. In the next 2 days, we'll be able to wind up the backlogs. जितने भी backlog news है हमारे वो complete कर लेंगे अगले 2 दिन में. And after that, we will be able to continue the sessions. Remember that from tomorrow morning session will be live at 8 AM. 2 important information याद रखिए. कल सुबह से session live होगा 8 AM पर. Friday we will be doing the special session for NIACL. NIACL के लिए important session करेंगे. NIACL assistant marathon session we will be doing on this Friday. Friday को कर लेंगे. Third important point is hustle batch is available at 599 till 2nd of March, till Sunday, till 2nd of March. After that, please do not message me to decrease the price again, sir. Please decrease the price again. It will be available only till 2nd of March. Then the price will be back 799. उसके बाद price आपका वापस से 799 हो जाएगा. Thank you for joining the session, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.